Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Sorry for being scantily clad, it's pretty late, about to go to bed, but you know, I wanted to record a video for you guys. Not that kind of video. So, got some new keycaps. These are from a company called Royal Keycaps, and these right here are kind of Pokemon themed. So I kind of got two sets. So one is it's kind of full alphabet, and what they do is actually they have, well, that's not one of them, the unknown as the legend. Hope you can see it there. And you know, I was close to free shipping, so I added another set, which was Eeveelution keycaps. And so I think I might put these on the function keys. The function keys or maybe the 1 through 0 I might use it for, because the function keys are kind of important for this keycap, or this keyboard I have here. Sorry about the camera. My apologies. Alright, so let's go ahead and do this. So, I'm trying to do this quick. So, what we got here? We got S. I think it kind of matches, a little clashy, but you know, all the legends are Pokemon, the numbers are Pokemon. Still got the function keys, so I can still use those. Got our Groudon, Kyogre. We got our starter Pokemon. We got Snorlax, Gengar, Blastoise, and Charizard. Close-ups. Yeah. Game string lights up. Alright guys, hope you liked the video. Please hit that like button. Please subscribe. Please comment it if you want to share your feedback, and we'll talk to you guys later. Alright guys, peace out.